What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We are primarily an options trading group, but from time to time, we do trade some small caps. We also trade crypto. We'll trade NFTs. We'll trade Pokemon cards if there's liquidity and money in it. We'll trade anything that we can to be able to make a couple bucks here, guys. So, welcome, guys. Welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about Coinbase, which is one of the hottest stocks that I did point out before. It made a 50-point run, and I still think that there's a ton of upside still left in this. I just wanted to point it out and give you guys this type of value here and give you my analysis here today, okay? Before we get too far, though, if you guys could leave me a like and also subscribe to the channel for more stock analysis, stock picks, and alerts. We go live also every Sunday. For Sunday Stockcast, we do a weekly watch list to get you ready for your trade week as well. So if we'd be honored if you wanted to go ahead and join us on those Sundays. But jumping right in, guys, you guys know my style. I don't like to talk too much. I like to get down to business. We'll go ahead and come right over here, right? So the stock that I'm talking about, like I was saying, is the Coinbase, which brokers is a broker for crypto. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, things like that. One of the biggest ones around. This was one of the most anticipated initial public offerings, IPOs, back at the beginning of the year. So back in April or so is when it IPO'd. And I felt a little bit of FOMO, just to let you guys know, when it first came out. So when it first came out, I wanted to get in, but I was always told not to trade IPOs. You wait until they make their initial move, and then you could go ahead and trade them from there. And this actually set up absolutely awesome here, guys. You could see where this put in this nice volatile day on the IPO, and then we got this really nice base off of the 220, 200 level right here. And then now we're starting to get this curl up and get some higher lows. Now, and just to show you that, I know hindsight's 2020. There's a lot of, gurus out there saying that, oh, this is going up. And, these are actually calls that I've made before they happen. So this is on my Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on my Twitter, it's New Age Wall Street, ST for street. And I give tons of analysis and tons of plays and alerts on there if you do want to go ahead and follow me on there. But I alerted this on the 14th of October, which is last Thursday. And I actually took my position at 252, but you could see right here where I alerted is $257 at the time that I did alert it. Now, coming back down, and I load this, kind of like a thread or a story. The very next day, we got a really nice gap up here to the 269, and even above that, 270, 271 area. And we're already 10 points, 10 points, 30 points up on this move from the 252. So still holding. I took 275 calls from the 252 for the ride up to 280. 280 is being the first target right here at this first resistance. And I took profit of those for a total amount of 17,000. I do believe. I do not have that here today, but I do have my 300s that I'm going to show you here in a second. And when I sold my 275 calls, I bought 300s for the next target of this 300. So you could see here today, or actually yesterday, today, we got up here. So today we did get up to the 300 and about $8, but this is for my chart from yesterday. And then we're showing my P&L from, it was actually 13,000. Excuse me. I did say it was 17,000. It was $13,100 I made on those 275 calls. And then this ended up being my biggest trade to date. Previously, my biggest trade was $104,000 trading Tesla pre-split when it made its first bull run. But when I sold those 275s here around 285, I made 13,000 and I bought 300 calls. And so then you guys could see my P&L just to let you see here from today. I do have a couple losers here, Airbnb and Robinhood I just started. You could see right here that I did take profit on those 300s. Just about all of those, 101,700 I made realized so far, and then 12,300 unrealized that I'm allowing to continue running. And then also right here, I did go ahead and buy on the dip today, these 320s, and I'm up about $1,200 on those. Now, to analyze, where this stock is going to go next and what exactly it's doing, we'll come back over here to our chart, and you can see that we had this really nice base right here, and my TTM is not set up here and doesn't have enough data to be able to print the histogram as of yet, but you can see this really nice base off the 200, 220. So I got in there, the 252, like I was saying, 275s, I took profit at 285, got 300, sold my 300s. And this is looking like here today, just some consolatory distribution where people are taking profit from this monster run over the last week or so. So I do anticipate maybe a little bit of a pullback. I do want to hold around 292, 294 as our new support, and then continue to run up to 350 as the next point of resistance as our target profit. But then after that, I will reevaluate, and I do believe that we do have room to continue running up to 400 or even 400 and 420, 450 up here. So it will take a little bit of time, especially with the way that this moves in sympathy of Bitcoin, right? So if you take a look at Bitcoin, it is just absolutely ripping here. I do have my chart here off of Binance, and you can see where it's just absolutely going nuts off of this cup handle and then just take off. It is wanting to take out these all-time highs. I see a lot of people analyzing saying we'll get 100,000 by the end of the year on Bitcoin. Now, I don't believe that may be possible in about 2 months. That's a lot of price action here to be had within 2 months, but 75,000 is definitely doable within the next couple weeks or so. Okay, guys. If you take a look at coin, it does move in sympathy, the kind of the same way that that Bitcoin does. So as long as Bitcoin stays relatively bullish and the whole crypto market stays bullish, Coinbase will continue to be bullish as well. And as a matter of fact, today they got some news that they are partnering with Facebook for their own digital wallet as well. So as long as we keep on getting more acceptance for this crypto and more positive news for people doing business with Coinbase, I do believe that this is an awesome buy, a buy here at the bottom. And we have enough room to make another 195 point move up here to 400. All right. So just wanted to go over that analysis, guys. If you guys like this analysis, if you guys like technical aspects of trading, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do more videos like this. I give more analysis and plays on my Twitter. So if you want to follow me, like I said, New Age Wall ST for street on my Twitter. I give those calls and alerts before they happen, giving the breakdown and giving those target points as well. And you're able to make 6-figure trades just like we do in the New Age Wall Street room. If you like it more in-depth analysis and depth help with your trading, we also have a Discord room. The link is down below. If you do want to go ahead and sign up, it's only $299 for a lifetime membership to our room. And I have a guy that just signed up this week that's already paid it off within the first 2 days being a brand new member. So hope to see that you guys see value in this. Maybe we'll see you in the Discord room. Leave me a comment on what you liked about the video, what you didn't like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.